Today, we are taking you to Central Africa to discover a dish that's delicious, traditional, and rarely talked about outside the region. Chikwangue. Chikwangue comes from fermented cassava, a staple root across Congo, Gabon, and other Central African countries. The cassava is pounded, fermented for several days, and then carefully wrapped in banana leaves and steamed, creating a soft, slightly tangy dough that's full of flavor. What makes Chikwangue so special is how versatile it is. It can be served with spicy sauce, rich stew, grilled fish, or meat, making it a centerpiece for family gatherings, festivals, and daily meals. It's more than food. It's a cultural ritual connecting people to their heritage and community. It is a hidden gem that deserves recognition. If you want to explore more Africa, its people, and culture, download the iSabiTV app on Apple and Play Store. Subscribe to my channel and follow iSabiTV on all social media platforms. Let's explore Africa together.